It's a bighorn sheep, I think. Just go slow. Uh-oh. Are we concerned that he's running toward us?
We're here in Waterton Canyon riding our bikes along the trail today. It's about 6 miles each way. It's a really nice, easy gravel trail, and this is actually a connector to the Colorado Trail. So if you want to hike or bike all the way through Colorado on the Colorado Trail, this is the access right here. So we're going to go all the way down to the dam at the end, so come on. Well, it's just started raining and hailing on us, so we're stopping here under a tree. But man, this just came out of nowhere, and it is good thing we have helmets on. It's coming down really hard.
Well, it rained and hailed for about 2 whole minutes, and now we're back on the road, but that's Colorado for you.
Yep, here and gone.
It's a bighorn sheep, I think. Just go slow. Uh-oh. Are we concerned that he's running toward us?
Nah. They're around people all the time. But I think we might actually stop.
Maybe he'll just go past.
Ramming speed! Well, the rain still hasn't let up. It's still coming down pretty good. At least it's not hailing anymore. And we did see one bighorn sheep, and I've heard that there's usually a lot at the end at the dam. So we have just about a quarter mile till we're there. We've gone right at 6 miles, a leisurely pace, but we're on the lookout for more animals. These are proper bighorn sheep up here. These are mature males, and they have huge, big ram horns that you imagine when you think of a bighorn sheep. But they look quite majestic at the edge of that cliff right there, about another 150 feet higher than we are right here.
guy. Protecting his group.
Well, we found all the others. We're right here in front of the dam, actually, and this is where I've seen quite a few bighorn sheep before, but you can actually see right up here as well, there's a whole group right on the edge of the mountain. So we're in their territory right now for sure. But you can see this is the little break area here at the end of the walking trail anyway, here right at the dam, and they're right here next to the bike racks. So we've got a pretty good sized male right here, right by us, and pretty fitting right here at the Bighorn Sheep Pavilion. They weren't wrong naming it the Bighorn Sheep. But we're also right here at the dam, and you can see all the bighorn sheep right here in front of the gate. They've actually gone up and around the gate that way, and that's where all those are, way back there, and then you can see the water coming through the dam. And this is one large dam. Doesn't look like there's a ton of water coming through right now, but I have actually seen the water spilling from the top once, and that was awesome. But look at that today. Just get a pretty ominous ride here, and the weather actually has stopped raining at least, but it's pretty awesome right now. We get pretty much this whole canyon to ourselves. We only passed a handful of people, and there's still this big daddy bighorn sheep right here, right behind me. We're definitely in his territory, and he's letting us know it.
I think he's checking out our bikes.
Well, we found a neat way to get across the river. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's some type of zip line cart to get some type of materials or something across the river. It still looks like it's operational. It doesn't seem like it's out of commission or out of use or anything like that, but it looks pretty fun. I'd like to take a ride on it. Well, it's hailing again, and we're trying to find a pavilion up a little further. I think it's just around this bend, but man, it's coming down and it hurts. Ow! That one got me on the tip of my nose.
Well, the rain started up again.
And the hail.
And we are absolutely covered from head to toe in mud.
In mud, yeah. I have a little fender on the back of my bike that helped a little bit, but Kelly certainly does not have one, and she's got mud from her toes to the top of her head. It's in your nose.
I have so much mud on me. It's in my mouth. It's on my nose. It's everywhere.
More tires than I do. And
Wet feet. Wet feet. Oh my gosh. Look at Brett's back. I don't know how we're gonna get home without just getting the car totally trashed.
Well, we're both muddy messes right now. We were not expecting it to rain today. There was, what, a 5 to 8% chance of rain? Yeah. And it came through. So we might want to pick up some lottery tickets on the way home, because the luck is with us today.
Well, I don't think there's any more space for mud to go. I am totally covered. The bike, everything. It's in my mouth, it's in my teeth.
Well, this was an adventure here in Waterton Canyon. We were expecting just a nice little afternoon ride, and turned out to be something much different. But we had a great time. We'll get cleaned up and on to the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.